This is how it looks inside the tank until I switch on a light. Now I'm preparing to go in the tanks. So the first thing I'll do, I'll double check my plan. I'm checking on my screen. You can see this is the tank where I'll make the entry today. So I'll check all the frames, all the stringers, everything associated with the plan. I'll exactly tell you what is the reason. The reason behind this thorough familiarization is you really need to know where is what, where are the ladders, which frames, and especially your way out, because you only have two manholes which are leading you out of that tank. If you get stuck in that tank for any given reason, you are doomed. There is no other way. You are doomed, because enclosed space entry or the ballast tank inspection is the most dangerous operation on board ships. So now I'm just preparing my helmet. So you also need to realize there is no light, no air circulation in the tanks. So we made a forced air circulation inside the tank using some portable fans. And for the source of light, you have to manage with your headlamps. So this is what I've got. This is my personal. So now let's go to the tanks and let's do the inspection. We are walking towards the tank. This is the main deck, and guys are carrying the SCBA set and the EBD. So we are on the main deck. Now consider this like your ground floor. Now we are going to -1. So I'll exactly show you what I'm talking about. We go forward from main deck, and then there are these stairs which lead you to -1. I just used these stairs to come down, and now I'm in -1. -1 is also called passageway on ship. So this is like the one bottom just below the upper deck. You see there's one manhole here. This for number 2 tank. But today we are doing number 3. So we go forward for number 3 tank. This is also the other manhole for number 2 tank. So basically there are 2 manholes for each tank. Now this is manhole for number 3. And this is where I have to make an entry today. This is tank number 3. This is the forced ventilation which we use to ventilate the tanks. And this has been going on for more than 24 hours. So the tank has enough air or adequate amount of oxygen. I'll show you inside the tank. The only light you can see is from the up top. There is no light inside the tank. Next, I'll make an entry inside the tank, and then I'll show you what it looks from inside. So what I want you to understand, I'm just on the first level right now. Okay. So if I turn my camera around, you can see the manhole right here. That's why we have light, and I have installed one light here, just near the entry as a reference. As I start going down the tank, then you will realize there's no light. Like I'll show you how deep exactly is the tank. Let me switch on my light. This is just one compartment. So now I'm on the 4th platform. I'll show you with my light. See this? As we go forward, you see the new set of ladders. So it's not a straight path. You need to realize it's not a straight path, and you really need to be sure of which frame you are inspecting right now. That's why counting the frames is as important as it is. Knowing your tank is as important, so that you exactly know where to come out from. That's the main question. I came directly down to this platform in order to check that the air quality is okay. If I had an alarm on my gas detector, I would straight away head out. So now it's okay. I'll go down, I'll check and report everything is okay, and then I'll start my inspection. I'm on the bottom platform now, and as we go forward, you see the lights are only from my headlamp. This is my flashlight, or if I need a clear image of something, then I'm using this flashlight. What I actually want to show you is how easy it is to get lost in the tank, because all the manholes, all the cutouts look all the same, and there's no marking, there's no tracking. Cyril, I'm on the most bottom platform forward of the tank. So you see, this is somehow we try to make a marking that this is the 5th stranger to 4th stranger, forward bulkhead, and the frame number is 100. Right now, I am 12 meters underwater. So this part of the tank, this exact point is 12 meters underwater, because right now the draft of the vessel is 14 meters. This is how it looks inside the tank until I switch on a light. The aft bulkhead frame number is 90, and this here is the bell mouth of the tank. When we are pumping in the water or pumping out the water, this is the point from where the water comes into the tank or exits the tank. So ballasting and deballasting operation, the pipes are connecting to this point, which is filling the tank and emptying the tank. That's why this bell mouth is very, very important, that it's not damaged or it's not choked. Now we are going to make an entry to the tank. Chief engineer will go first. This looks quite okay compared to the other one. This plate has been changed here. This is frame number 93, and on frame number 93 the plates were changed. You see these extra plates? The welding is getting rusted on the plates. This looks good. This is on the 4th stranger between frame 99 and 98 starboard side.
I can tell you just frankly, being in the tank, it's not really pleasant stuff. You have to be sure that you have no any scare of enclosed space. First of all, you have to be confident by going inside. And technically, it's a lot of things to pay attention on the ship structure, like buckling of the bulkheads, rust all over. You have to be careful by going into any tank of the vessel. The most important thing is the safety being inside the tank. It's not a joke. It's a dangerous atmosphere inside. There are some toxic fumes could be because of the paint, because of the rust. So you have to remember that you have this. This is the multi-gas detector you have to carry with you all the time, because this is dangerous. You can go one time and you might never come back because of the dangerous atmosphere inside.
This would have been way easier if I just went inside the tank and came out of the tank, did my inspection, did my thing. But now that I was making this video, so it got a little bit difficult.
इसी के साथ आज की मजदूरी यहीं खत्म करते हैं। अगर तुम्हें वीडियो पसंद आई तो लाइक मारो यार। मुझे नहीं पता, मुझे 2 मिलियन लाइक्स चाहिए, कैसे ना कैसे करके मुझे चाहिए। इतना झिला मैं कभी नहीं होऊंगा अपनी पूरी जिंदगी में जितना इसमें झिला हूं। मुझे चाहिए ही चाहिए। तो लाइक मारो, और अगर तुम लोग नए हो तो सब्सक्राइब करो। वो जो लाल वाला बटन है उस पर फूट फेंक के मारो या फिर मोमबत्ती, मुझे नहीं पता, बस क्लिक हो जाना चाहिए। अब मैं भी जा रहा हूं, मुझे पैसों के पीछे भागना है। बाय।